Okay, so right now, oh, that's bright. Okay, so right now, me and this guy right here, we're going to get our speakers fixed, our 12s back there. Yeah, because like I went there yesterday and I waited for 4 hours, right? 4 hours. And then like they finally got them fixed. And then an hour later they went out. Can you believe that shit? So today I'm here back, right? And I get here and he's all right, well, can you come back in an hour? So I leave. We go to the mall for an hour, right? And then so I meet this pretty girl here, and then we walk around. I buy her some stuff, and then you know.
Cause he's a fucking idiot. He would buy herself. Who wastes 30 bucks on dumb hoe?
So anyway, we came back here about an hour later, and the guy's not even here. So we gotta wait like another 20 minutes for him.
Fucking bitch ass nigga asshole.
And so like I'm already irritated,
Kinda asshole motherfucker.
and I'm pissed off, and
Yeah.
like so now they're trying to fix it, and we're just chilling in the car, right? And this fool almost hit my car right here. This guy right here. Can you believe that? Almost hit it with this door. Anyway,
And we're listening to Humble the Point while we're doing this shit. Cause he the fucking